In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Mailchimp, even though the platform doesn't provide a direct insert table option in their built-in email editor. Don't worry, it's still possible to add tables using some simple HTML code, which will work across all templates in Mailchimp. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've logged in successfully, navigate to the campaigns section located in the main menu. From there, click on All Campaigns. This is where you'll see a list of all the campaigns you've created so far. Select the email campaign where you want to insert a table. This might be a new campaign you're working on, or an existing one that you want to update. Once you've selected the campaign, click Edit beside the campaign name. This will open the email editor where you can start customizing your email content. Inside the editor, you will need to add a code block. If you're not familiar with a code block, it's a feature in Mailchimp that allows you to insert custom HTML code into your email. To do this, simply drag and drop the code block to the spot in your email where you want the table to appear. Now comes the part where we add the table itself. You'll need to paste a simple HTML table code into this code block. Here's a basic code that you can use. Open the tag with, then you'll want to create the table headers by writing header 1, header 2, header 3. This forms the top row with your headers. Next, to add the rows beneath, use a row 1, col 1 row 1, col 2 row 1, col 3 for the first row, and a row 2, col 1 row 2, col 2 row 2, col 3 for the second. Finally, don't forget to close the table with the closing tag to complete the code. After you've pasted the code, click on Save and Close to finish your editing. Once saved, you can preview your email to see how the table looks. You should now be able to view the table formatted nicely in your email content. This method not only helps you to add structured data into your Mailchimp newsletters, but also gives you the flexibility to customize and style your tables as needed. That's it, you've successfully added a table into your Mailchimp email using HTML. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.